everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 333 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit The Once eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited to finally use this. I actually bought this a long time ago. I bought this when I bought the Emily Needs palette, which I've been loving. I travel with that palette a lot. So if you want to see my review on the Needs palette, I will link that down below. But I don't know why I just haven't gotten around to using this eyeshadow palette here. This is a huge palette, and let's see how it looks. Oh gosh. So beautiful. It has a huge mirror covering the entire back side of this. But oh my gosh, these colors, every single one of them is a color that I am dying to play with. I didn't bother to go ahead and swatch these because Emily Noel on her channel has a video all about the swatches, the names, the colors, everything like that. But so this does come with 24 shades, and these are big pans. They're like the size of a quarter. And you get mattes, you get shimmers, you get glitter, some metallic shades. So pretty. Warm tones, cool tones. Such a great variety here. So I'm just going to go ahead and play with this, try and make a fun, beautiful eye look. Of course, I have to start out by priming my eyelids with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And if you want to see my review on the eyeshadow primer potion, I will link my video down below. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I want to set the entire eyelid using a light shade. So I think I'll go in with this shade here. This is called, this shade here, it's called Oh Heavens. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this color is beautiful. It has such pretty shine to it. So it's like a shimmery nude shade. Now I'm going to actually bring this all the way up to the brow bone, because this color can also be my brow highlight. I like that. Makeup Revolution has been a brand that I tried out in 2018 that I just love now. It's been that way with a few different brands. Another one is Essence. Let's see, Shop Miss A. So many brands that I never tried before that I am now obsessed with. Okay, great. Loving this base. I can't decide if I want to do like a pinky purple type of look, if I want to do more of like a green, a brown look. You know what? This green Grateful shade here is really speaking to me, so I think I'm going to try and incorporate that into my look. But to start out, I'm going to go ahead and do a crease shade. So I'm going to go in with this khaki brown shade here. This is called Hobby, and work that into the crease. And Emily Noel is definitely a YouTube inspiration to me. I love her videos. I love her personality. I listened to an interview with her on the Beauty in the Vlog podcast, which I think that podcast is actually called YouTube Power Hour now, but I loved the interview with Emily Noel, and it was definitely inspiring to me. Wow, this color is so pretty, very easy to apply, and so blendable. And I like that this shade is called Hobby. Makeup for me is my favorite hobby, as well as YouTube is my favorite hobby. But who knows what it could turn into. Okay, wow, I'm loving how this is looking so far. Both shades that I've used are so pretty. Next, I'm going to deepen up the outer V and into the crease a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want to go in with a shimmery shade or a matte shade. I think I'm going to go in with a matte shade. So I'm going to, you know what, let's have fun with it. Let's go into the shade here. Let's go into this shade here. This is Corduroy, and this looks like a deep teal shade. Oh wow, now that it's on my eye, it's looking like a beautiful forest green shade. Love this. I haven't really watched many videos of tutorials with this palette, but I'm definitely going to be doing that in the near future because this is a palette that I am going to want to get a lot of use out of. These colors are so beautiful. Did I mention that it only cost $20 though? I don't know if I mentioned that. But I ordered mine on the Ulta website, and $20 I feel like it's an amazing deal for this number of colors and the great quality. Okay, now that I've got that dark green smoked in there, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lighter shimmery green shade here, this Grateful shade, and apply it with my finger. I always apply these shimmery shades using my finger, which is easy to do because I keep my nails pretty short and they apply great with the finger, but something that I've never used before that I'm going to be purchasing soon, hopefully, is MAC Fix Plus. But you could definitely apply this shadow using MAC Fix Plus by spraying that onto your brush and then dipping it into the shadow. But I don't have MAC Fix Plus, and that's a technique that I really want to try out. But oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this Grateful green shade is. So bright and shimmery and beautiful. And I'm really liking how these two colors look together. It does, as you can see, kind of look like an ombre effect. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that original crease shade called Hobby and blending that in again. So now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges a little bit. There is like really minimal fallout with this, so that is awesome. And I just want to smoke out the lower lash line a bit. So I'm just going to take this other shimmery green shade here. This is called Side Hustle, right? So maybe if this YouTube makeup hobby of mine continues, it could turn into a side hustle. I love this shade though, Side Hustle. It's a very similar shade to my eye color actually. All right, so here is my finished look. All that I'm going to add to this is some more mascara because I don't want to take away from this beautiful eyeshadow look. I'm so happy with how enhancing this turned out for my green eyes. But oh my gosh, all of these colors are so gorgeous, so well pigmented. They blend out beautifully. I can't wait to continue playing with this palette and see what other makeup looks I can come up with. I feel like next I'm going to try and do a very pinky purple type of look, but so happy with this green look that I was able to achieve today. If you've used this palette before, I'd love to know in the comments down below how you've worn it, what colors you've paired together, any tips you have for me. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.